Hello there, this is from Karvil Machinery technology company in China. Here it is a new finished 500 liters model kneader mixer for UK client. The two ones, the same model, 500 liters model. And for this mixer, it is used for high viscous material mixing, and we make the material contact part stainless steel and mirror polish, and also the outside of the mixer we make stainless steel package as well as the lid. Now, I would like to make a simple test. This is a basic frame base, and from the left to right is the driving system and the mixing chamber. And on the side of the chamber, middle bottom is a discharging screw, and the back side is a driving system, including the hydraulic system. And let's open the lid to check the inside situation. Now the lid is opening. All the material contact parts we make a mirror polish. This is the double sigma blades. Middle bottom is a discharging screw. You can see closer. This is the lid. On the lid, two windows, one with light for observation of the working situation. And around the mixing chamber, we make a jacket. We will fill it with conduction oil for the heating of the inside material during the mixing. Okay. And it is the same situation for this one. So, we are professional in the Sigma mixer manufacturing. If you have any interesting, please don't hesitate to contact us. Now I closing the lid. Okay. So this is from Karvil Machinery technology company in China. Welcome to contact us if you have any interest for Sigma kneader mixer. Thanks for watching.